Cheers! We're here at WALT Wines today, and I am Chef Dyon Foster of Chef's Palate, and we are going to lighten things up with the WALT Pinot Noir. This is the Bob's Blend, and we sent out some beautiful spice blends for you that we want to show you another way to use. We're going to grill off some chicken breasts with the WALT seasoning. We did these in a grill pan right over here, but you can do them on your grill outside, or you can even roast them. We're going to do two different meal preps today. We're going to do a quick salad, and we're going to do some toast. So we have some beautiful 7-grain toast, and we have some nice, beautiful California avocados, and we're going to pop those apart. Don't try that at home, folks, unless you're really comfortable doing it. And we're going to slice this. Some people like to mash theirs up with the lemon juice. I think it kind of depends on whether you're going to pack this into your lunch or if you're going to make it fresh, whether you want to cut it fresh and just put it straight on your toast and then put some lemon over it, or if maybe you do want to mash it with the lemon and put it on there. I tend to like to put it straight on there with a little bit of salt, a little bit of lemon juice. You notice I try to catch the seeds as I do that. And then we have our chicken. This chicken has been grilled with our WALT seasoning. So we grilled it, we just kind of got some nice color to it and marks on it, put a little bit of extra seasoning on it and some olive oil, finished it in a 350 oven for about 15 minutes. We've actually let this chill down, and we're serving this cold because this has so much flavor and it's so delicious that it doesn't need to be hot. So if you wanted to mix this up with the lemon juice so that your avocado doesn't change colors, you can actually mix this up and bring this all together just how it is and have it ready to go. I like to finish with just a little bit of Parmesan cheese and some olive oil, and to me it does not have to go overboard on complexity, and I really hope you enjoy that. We are showing you different ways to use the Bob's Spice Blend. So earlier we showed you how to use it to grill some chicken, and we put that on some avocado toast, which I know a lot of people really enjoy. But I happen to have made 2 chicken breasts, and maybe you're not into toast. Maybe you're doing the low carb. Well, fear not, because we have other ways to use this chicken. And I think you know where I'm going with this. We've got some mixed greens. I like butter lettuce with this myself. So we've got a butter lettuce and radicchio mix. Radicchio is really high in nutrients, and I like to get it in there. The butter lettuce, of course, has always got a lot of crunch and snap to it. So I like to have that as a juxtaposition to it. I happen to have some more avocado here, so there's no reason for me to not use this. Want to give it a little bit of finishing salt on those avocados. I like to finish it up with some Parmesan. And of course, as summer approaches, we're going to need some of these tomatoes. So we have beautiful mixed tomatoes in here. We want to get all the colors of the rainbow as we enjoy all of our vegetables. And of course, a little bit of cucumber for freshness. Nice and crunchy. And that's going to give us some great flavors and a wonderful way for you to use your Bob's Blend seasoning. So, cheers, and we'll see you next time.